Have you ever met a man who doesn't chase women, yet somehow they chase him? He's not the loudest in the room. He's not the most handsome, but something about him. His stillness, his silence, his energy makes people curious. He doesn't seek attention, and yet attention seems to find him. That, my friend, is not coincidence. It's psychology, and not just any psychology, dark psychology. In this video, we're diving deep into Machiavelli's dirtiest method for seducing any woman. A strategy so subtle, so manipulative, and yet so effective, it can make anyone feel an emotional pull toward you, even if they didn't care at first. But before you try to use it, you need to understand why it works, and how Stoicism can transform it from manipulation into mastery. Because a true Stoic man doesn't play games. He doesn't chase, he attracts. He doesn't manipulate, he commands presence. Stay with me till the end, because once you understand this, you'll never chase validation again. You'll understand the deep art of power, attraction, and control without losing your peace. Let's start with the man behind the method. Niccolò Machiavelli, 16th century philosopher, diplomat, and writer of The Prince. He wasn't a lover, he wasn't romantic. He was a strategist obsessed with one thing, power. He watched kings, generals, and popes. He studied what made them rise and what made them fall, observing every move in the brutal game of control. And through this study of human nature, he realized something dark but true. People aren't moved by kindness or honesty. They're moved by control and emotion. So what does this have to do with seduction? Everything, because attraction is power. Seduction is control. And at its root, every emotional connection follows the same psychological pattern Machiavelli mastered: scarcity, uncertainty, and emotional tension. Here's what Machiavelli discovered. When you make someone feel safe all the time, they lose interest. But when you make them feel a mix of security and uncertainty, their emotions heighten. They start thinking about you more. They start wondering what you're thinking and why you've gone quiet. That wondering, that gap of uncertainty, is where attraction lives. He called it the principle of controlled unpredictability. And that's Machiavelli's dirtiest method. Imagine this scenario. There are two men. The first man is eager. He texts her constantly, replies in seconds, tells her everything, his plans, feelings, and intentions. At first, she likes it, but soon she stops feeling that spark. He's predictable. There's no mystery, no tension. He's too available. Now, the second man, and he's different. He's calm, present, he doesn't chase. When he talks, his tone is grounded. He listens more than he speaks. He's not in a hurry to impress anyone. When he texts, it's thoughtful and deliberate. When he disappears, it's not out of anger. It's because he's living his life. She starts to wonder, where is he? Why isn't he like other men? Her mind starts looping, thinking, analyzing, imagining. That mental space where curiosity meets emotion is where Machiavellian attraction is born. That's the invisible magnetism of controlled unpredictability in action. Machiavelli understood the core truth of human nature. We desire what we can't fully have. Certainty kills excitement. Uncertainty builds obsession. That's why people chase emotionally unavailable partners, why they value attention from those who give it rarely, and why the mind equates scarcity with value. It's psychological gravity.